In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Semrush Pro. Let's dive right in. We'll begin by heading over to the Semrush website. Semrush is a powerful tool for data-driven marketing, ideal for those seeking to elevate their business growth. Once you're there, you'll notice the interface packed with amazing features designed to help you make informed marketing decisions. Now, look to the top right corner of the homepage and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login page, where you'll need to enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up first, which is a straightforward process. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Semrush homepage. This is the hub of all activity where you can manage your projects, explore various tools, and analyze data. But for today, our focus is on upgrading to Semrush Pro. So next, let's navigate to your profile. You'll usually find your profile picture at the top right of the screen. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. From here, select Profile. Now that you're in your profile settings, the next step is to find Subscription Info. This section holds all the details about your current plan and billing cycle. Access it from the same drop-down menu where you found Profile. By clicking on Subscription Info, you get a complete overview of your current subscription plan. It's crucial to keep this information handy, especially if you're considering upgrading or making any plan changes. Here, you might see different options based on your current usage and plan status. Finally, move over to the Pro section. It's within this menu you'll be able to see your upgrade options. Clicking on Pro will give you all the details about the Semrush Pro plan. This is where you'll explore what additional features you'll gain and assess how this move will significantly enhance your analytical capabilities, offering tools that can provide more in-depth insights into your marketing strategies. And that wraps up the process. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily navigate from logging into Semrush to accessing the Pro plan. I hope you found this guide helpful, breaking down each step to make the transition as seamless as possible. Upgrading to Semrush Pro is a wonderful way to unlock new marketing insights and tools that can help you drive growth and success in your business. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to videos and detailed instructions on maximizing digital tools for your needs.